Simple, straightforward, quick, low cost. It beats the opposition.
It was designed from the base up, a clean sheet of paper, a flame photometer for this modern day and age, not something that picked up its roots from the early 50s. The BWB XP is actually made in the UK, and we're really proud actually that it's made here in Newbury. It's quite a feather in our cap these days for something to be made in England.
We do everything basically, from PCB design to layout, to the electronics design, the firmware, the PC software. Everything is done in-house. We put it all together into a box and we ship it.
The quality that goes into it and the procedures are representative of our ISO 9001 assurance.
Our motto is just add gas, so our XP unit contains everything you need, from sample cups right through to the calibration fluids, which allows a user to dive straight in and start analysing his samples. Because the XP can analyse all 5 ions at once, it's a lot more time efficient.
If they've got any doubts as to how to use a flame photometer, it's very simple for them. The videos are there, they can run the video, and the instruction is first class. On the technical side, I find that Brian is unsurpassed in his skill set. Hosann is the newest member of the team, also a very bright young man, really pleased to have him here. Steve represents stability and a good common sense approach to life, the universe and everything. Andy handles a lot of product design, is actually an unsung hero in this. Andy also has another hat on where he handles all the dispatch.
It's really important that the units perform consistently every time and really give the accurate results that the customers are after. Testing starts by checking the nebulizers. We run a calibration check across all 5 ions.
Every instrument has a 72-hour burn-in.
It's intended to weed out any problems with the electronics.
We've got checklists. We check every nut and bolt for the right amount of torque, for the right tightness. When one of these items actually go out the door, we're confident that every one is as good as the next one, and every one is the best quality that we can manufacture to. The BWB XP comes in different variants. We have the bio, we have the nuclear, and we have the plain straightforward XP itself. These are different build specifications depending on a particular market sector. And the beauty, of course, being that we are the design authority, so we'll put in place the right design with the right assembly instructions and the right manufacturing techniques for each particular variation.
The basic difference between the bio and the XP is there are built-in curves, which separate curves for serum testing and urine testing. And so the user can then, on a daily basis, correct those curves and use the machine straight away. I've sort of changed that slightly in as much as I've now automated the calibration process so that the end user can quite easily recalibrate the machine with the auto sampler. I would say that the whole team is constantly trying to think of ways of improving it.
And we're always adding new ideas and new designs in. We sit down and discuss them as a team, do a lot of research into them and try and find the best way forward for the XP unit.
BWB XP is an instrument that is made here in the UK. It's made to a very high standard. It's put together with the concept of just add gas, and when the user gets it at their end, they add the gas, they put it together, they're up and running in half an hour. There's not many other technical instruments of this calibre that you can do that with.